Welcome to our channel. If you received your Capital One rewards card and want to activate it online, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card and earning rewards. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer, smartphone, or tablet and visit the Capital One website at capitalown.com. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Sign In option on the homepage. Step 3. If you already have a Capital One online account, log in using your username and password. If you're a new customer, select Activate Card or Enroll Now to create an account. Step 4. To activate your card, enter your card number, which is the 16-digit number on the front of your Capital One rewards card. Step 5. Provide your personal information as requested, such as your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 6. Create a username and password for your Capital One online account if you're enrolling for the first time. Step 7. Review and accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Step 8. Click Activate Card or Submit to complete the activation process. Step 9. Once activated, sign the back of your card immediately for security purposes. Step 10. Log into your Capital One account to view your card details, available credit, and rewards balance. Step 11. Your Capital One rewards card is now ready to use for purchases and earning rewards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.